ingredients are venison, cubed, salt, garlic, chopped onion. Start off by trimming your venison. Remove all the fat, silver skin, and connective tissue. Fat is what causes your gamey flavor in canned meat. Cut the meat into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Side note, I forgot to video record this part. Be sure to wash your jars and simmer your lids in hot water. Put the seasonings in the bottoms of your jars. 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 handful of chopped onion, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For pint-sized jars, half the ingredients. Pack raw venison cubes tightly, leaving 1 inch headspace. Do not add water. The meat makes its own broth. Wipe jar rims with vinegar or a hot cloth. Add lids and screw bands finger tight. Load the pressure canner. Add 2 to 3 inches of water to the pressure canner. Place jars on a rack. Lock the lid. Bring to a boil until steam flows steadily. Vent for 10 minutes. Your processing time for quart-sized jars is 90 minutes. For pint-sized jars is 75 minutes. And add your weight. Let your pressure canner cool down. Turn off the heat. Allow the canner to depressurize naturally. Remove jars and let them sit for 12 to 24 hours without touching.